Absolutely. Now, next up, Nick, tell us what we've got coming up.
Well, you can see Rolls-Royce are a major part of Moda Miami this year. And I'd like to introduce Alvaro Borges onto the stage here. Alvaro is the General Sales Manager for Rolls-Royce Miami. And over to you, Alvaro. Tell us about what's going to happen with Rolls-Royce tonight, because it's a very special moment.
Well, welcome everyone. You know, it's a pleasure being here, and thank you all for coming. And I see a lot of our Rolls-Royce clients here walking around, and it's an incredible feeling to see that. But we have two things actually. We have our Rolls-Royce, our new Rolls-Royce Motor Cars CEO here with us, and but before that we have the Rolls-Royce Spectre, which is the Black Badge edition of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. It's an amazing vehicle, and but let me bring right now. Okay, so we're gonna have Jon Colbeth here from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars.
Yeah, Jon!
He's gonna be here with us, and we're gonna go ahead and unveil this amazing vehicle. And you know, you'll be really happy when you see this car.
An amazing car, fabulous Rolls-Royce, in the spirit of the heritage that Rolls-Royce has built over many decades. For the first time, ladies and gentlemen, in North America, the Rolls-Royce Black Badge Spectre.
Wow! Bravo!
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening!
Let me ask, did you have an amazing day today?
Yay!
And are you ready for an even more amazing evening?
Yes!
It's good we're getting these speeches out of the way now, because I think we have a few troublemakers in the group. Look, it's a pleasure to be with you all this evening. It's my first time here at Moda Miami. What better way to mark this occasion than by unveiling our Rolls-Royce Black Badge Spectre, making its North American debut right here just for you. Now, this isn't just any Rolls-Royce. This is the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever built. 652 horsepower, 792 foot-pounds of torque, and tuned for an exhilarating, yet refined, we are Rolls-Royce, driving experience. And as you know, we won't compromise, so we've engineered the suspension and performance to merge, creating the most powerful magic carpet ride in a Rolls-Royce. And let's talk about design. This is the boldest expression of a Black Badge yet, with signature darkened elements, a vibrant color palette. Its presence commands attention. But really, as great as this Spectre is, what really makes Rolls-Royce extraordinary is all of you. It's this community, it's your vision, it's your desire for true individuality that drives us to continue to push the boundaries. In 2025, I don't want to just create more commissions. I want to create commissions that are even more valuable, not just for today, but for future generations who will cherish these cars as a legacy. So let's make some spectacular Black Badge Spectres right here in Miami. And remember, they don't all have to be black. Black Badge is the alter ego for Rolls-Royce, so express yourself. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Before I wrap up, I have one more announcement I'd like to make. Now, outside of my team, nobody else knows this tonight, so you are the first people to publicly hear this. Alvaro, you and the team at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Miami have had a fantastic year. You've done a fantastic job for us. And I would like to announce that Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Miami is our America's Sales Dealer of the Year.
Yay! Alvaro, way to go!
Alvaro, it's been really a pleasure working with you and seeing what you've been able to accomplish with the team. Sales is more than just numbers for us. Sales is about relationships. It's about connection. It's encompasses everything the brand is about. So I'm really proud of you and the team there. So Alvaro, here's to a future as bold as the cars we create.
Cheers!